Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Crafting with Ronda MC. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I am coming on with a Dollar Tree haul that is mostly for gardening. First of all, I found these. They're called stackable 3-tier planters. And I bought like 6 of them. I thought they were really cute. I think I may put my strawberries in them. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in them yet. There you go. That's the 3. So that is the all 6 of them. Now I also found these great plant clips. They work really nice with your tomato plants and for your cucumbers or any of your vines, anything that you need to kind of hold in place. I've seen these online, but I never found them in the Dollar Tree until today. And they're like, there's 20 in a pack. I believe I bought like 4 packages of them. I have one opened so I can show you. This is the smaller one. I'll put it in the palm of my hand so you can get an idea of how big they are. And then this is the larger one. And it comes with, you know, both sizes in the package, the small and the large. So I guess you get, let's see, yeah, you get 10 and 10. Yep. Okay, and that's those. And, you know, the crafty mind in me, once I took these out of the bag, you have this little mesh here. I'm thinking, okay, I can use that for something. Anybody have any ideas? Let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Maybe we can come up with something to use this for. Like I said, I have 4 of them now. All right, so that was that. I also found some knee pads. $1 a piece. I bought 2 of them. They have the Velcro, so you can wrap it around your legs. Around your leg, you know, over your knees. I thought these would be nice out in the garden. My garden has rocks in it. So when I get down, you know, to pull weeds and do different things, it's nice to protect my knees because those rocks will do havoc on you. Let's see, what else did I get? I also found these floral scissors. Thought these were really nice. Let me open them, see. You guys can get an up-close look. They have like a serrated edge on them. Let's see. And I thought these would be nice. Last year I grew some zinnias, and some sunflowers and different things that I could cut, and I thought these would be nice to use. I'm going to plant some more of those this year. I also found, it's called Flexible Tie, and there's 16.5 feet on here, which, yeah, that's a lot. But you can see where they use it to just tie things off instead of twine. I thought I'd give this a try. Yeah, it's real flexible, and you can bend it and twist it and do whatever. You could probably use this for some other projects as well. And that's that. And then, let's see, I've seen these in the Dollar Tree before, but I thought, you know, I could use one of these. This is nice. My garden is garden boxes, and this would be nice for me to sit on the side of it. So I thought maybe I would use that for that. And let's see, last but not least, this garden ornament that has this sunburst on it. I thought that was really pretty. My mom gave me one that I have out on the side of the shed, and I thought these two would match. This would match that one as well. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Just a few gardening things I wanted to share. I think I have a variety of things that I like to do, so I'm going to be sharing some stuff with you all. If you're interested, leave some comments below, so I'll know, you know, that you want me to keep producing this type of video. Enjoy gardening. I enjoy baking my cookies and working on my craft projects and different things like that. So that's what I want to share with you guys. My, you know, the day in the life of what I do when I'm not working. So, all right. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll get back with you all soon. Have a blessed day.